Hello world, my name is Johnny and I am professional and I am creating a startup or a software that is actually going to solve a problem, and that problem is house renting in Ghana. That is where currently I am. And if you find this interesting and this is what you want to join me in it, sure to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't yet, like the video, leave a comment, whatever you think, and share this video. And this video we are going to talk about planning. Before we start with the planning, I want to say a huge thank you to all those who contributed in the last video and those who gave me the morale to continue. Thank you so much. But there is a question on board from the username Battles. Yes, Battles. I hope I'm not mentioning it wrong, but this is what he commented. You mentioned something about SaaS and hosting your solution. Sorry, I do not understand that part. Where do you plan to host the application? I was worried about access to the internet in Ghana, but some statistics say 53% of the total population has access, and the median fixed connection speed is 27 Mbps megabytes per second, which is good. I remember my first internet connection was 512 kbps and it was awesome. Smiley face. Yes, we have internet connection in Ghana. It's not a lie. There is internet connection in Ghana. Yes, it is expensive. It's expensive. Okay, so answering the question here, I did mention something about SaaS in the last video. And before I talk about SaaS, what is SaaS? It's just software as a service. So basically, you pay to access the software. And a very typical example is Netflix. That is, you get to subscribe or pay before you can watch the movies on Netflix. And also Adobe also do that. You pay to use their software. So that is basically what SaaS is. And I don't know if I'm going to make it a SaaS or not, but basically in the long term that is what it's going to be. I don't know, but I was talking about it because those who have made some similar apps, software as I'm talking about, made it a SaaS, and I was asking for your opinion if it should be a software as a service or it should be free to the user. That is, you get to register just and post the available houses that you have for rent. For others that's looking for a house to rent, to just easily get the house for rent. So let me see what you think about it in the comment section below. And answering the second question, the hosting solution, that is something that I'm really struggling about, and I think you all should come inside this. And the truth is, I told you all guys that I'm starting with $0. That is, I have actually no money now, but my skills and you guys. So I'm actually fighting with my brain on either making a web app for it first before I make the mobile app version. And here is the pros and cons. In the web app, I can actually make it, which is pretty easy. Both of that I can make, but the web app, the cons here is I have to pay for domain, which is the problem because $0. And for the mobile apps, after making it, I also have to pay to register for the Google Play Store or the App Store before I can post the apps on it. But in the web app, the pros is after making it, I can actually post it on a free hosting platform, but the URL is not going to be legit, and for some reasons it's going to be hard for people to search and get the websites or the web app on Google or other platforms, which is a problem. And if I make a mobile first, I can actually make a downloadable link so that you can click and download straight away without going through the Google Play Store. but this is only going to limit it to only 100 users, so those using iPhones are not going to get access to the app as at what I'm talking about. So let me know what you think. Do you think I should make the web app first, which I can host on a free hosting platform, but get not legit URL and very hard to track on Google? And do you also think I should make a mobile app with a downloadable link, which people can download through that link, but it is only strictly to 100 users because iPhone will not encourage that? Let me see what you think in the comment section. And back to back on the planning, I've already started drawing some UI for the application over here, and I normally draw my UI mobile first, so I'm drawing it mobile first. So I'll put a picture here and you see what is actually going on. So I'm drawing mobile first, and I'll draw the website second, because no matter what, in the long run it's going to be a website and a mobile application. So what you decide is what's best for you. So let me see in the comment section what you think I should do first. Should I go for doing the website first or the mobile application first? And not to lie, it's really going cool, pretty awesome doing the UI. And yeah, thank you for watching, and this is Devlog 01 titled Planning. See you in the next video.